All right guys, time for another massive tech unboxing. We told you there'd be a part 2, so you know the deal. Grab your snacks, grab your drinks, here go the rest. But before we keep going, we gotta give a huge shout out to today's sponsor, Zapier. You ever feel like you spend half your day moving the same info from one app to another? Same, so I fixed it. Every time a package shows up here for another video, I've got to add it to my tracking list, add it to the upcoming video list, and text Ari so she knows what we're going to be shooting. Every package. Zapier just does it all for me now. When a delivery email hits my inbox, she updates itself, the video planner adds the product, and Ari gets a text. I legitimately don't have to touch a thing. This is basically a little assistant running in the background. And the new thing is, you can just tell it what to do. I literally typed, when team members send product links on Slack, add them to our recommendation spreadsheet. And then it built the whole automation. No code, no tutorial, nothing. But for real, it took me like an afternoon to wrap my head around it, but now it's something I don't even have to think about. And what's great is that with Zapier MCP connected in Claude, I don't even need to wonder what happened. I can ask Claude about the status since Zapier is connected internally to access those apps. If you guys are interested, I'll have a link with some templates down below to give you a head start. All right, we're back. So we got quite a bit more packages to open up. Let's get to it.
Ladies first, that one.
So we got a in-new power bank. All right, so they've got a lot here. Let's take a quick look at them. All right, so these are the portable chargers. They've got a pretty simple, clean looking design. All right, so it looks like this has a big old screen. There's not a lot of info here. All that for just 62%? Hold on, there's gotta be more. All right, so there's a little bit more info on the screen. Still a lot of screen here for just a line of numbers, but you can see details on your charging with this one. This one's 25,000 milliamp hours, has a 140 watt, 45 watt, so 2 USB-Cs, a USB-A. We've got another one, this one's a bit smaller, also with a screen, 100 watt, so 2 USB-C ports and the USB-A port at 18. 25,000 milliamp hours. This is actually pretty cool. Like 25,000 milliamp hours in this size? That's actually really nice. And we've got one that plugs directly into the wall with a built-in cable. We've got a Qi 2 MagSafe option over here, kind of like the one you just got, Ari. Oh, and it has, that's an interesting LED indicator. It's a paw. I've never seen that before. We got one for the Apple Watch. So this one has a built-in Apple Watch charger with a built-in cable. No screen on this one though, but this one's 5,000 milliamp hours. And this tiny one, what would you guess?
10,000.
That's what I'm thinking too. 10,000.
Ooh.
This is actually really nice. You would probably benefit from this, Ari.
Yeah, actually, my phone's on 9% right now.
Where's the MagSafe you got yesterday?
It's not charged. I had to leave it here for Oscar to get.
Making bad use, you making excuses.
Thank you.
So they've got a lot of portable charger options, and I'm a sucker for that. I'll have it all linked down below, of course. Oh, I saw these.
Oh, those are Beats?
These are the Power Beats Pro 2, but these are the Nike editions.
Ooh, that's gonna be pretty.
Look at that.
Oh, that's cool.
That is
clean. That's nice.
The controller.
Oh, definitely right.
Oh, it does.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so clean. So when you take these out, the left side has the standard Beats logo, where the right side has the Nike logo. These are so nice, and I'm mad that I'm like a terrible candidate for the Power Beats Pro 2.
Sounds like you don't need them then.
Oh my God. That's the left side.
I don't have earbuds, so I don't know how to do these things.
I've given her so many earbuds.
Oh, these feel comfy.
I'll put it like that.
They feel secure.
Yes, you're one of the blessed.
How's it look at me?
Yeah.
Good, about to work out? It's a
Yeah,
sporty vibe, like I work
with
out.
the hoodie and everything.
Yeah, I'm going to Pilates.
Lies.
I think it's not Pilates.
It's all lies.
Okay, I can have them? Thanks, babe.
I think these
So
would be
sweet.
like, sure. All right,
Thank
you can
you.
have them.
This is the only reason why I come to massive tech unboxing shootings.
I'm sure.
That's the only reason.
But yeah, these are a dope special edition of the Power Beats. Does it come with anything else that's like special? Just do it sticker.
Cute.
Over here, we've got something special. This is from the folks over at Oppo. We've got the new Oppo Find X9 Ultra. This is the Hasselblad Earth Explorer Kit. I have no idea what any of that extra stuff means, but I know the Find X9 Ultra is in here, so let's check this out. Oh, this is the one with the big lens, right?
It's this, what do you mean?
What? You haven't heard about this?
No.
Look, let me put you on. Oppo, with their Find X9 Ultra, they have a special lens that you can attach to the camera.
What?
It's absolutely insane. So I thought everything was supposed to be coming together, but the phone is not in here. Let me go see if we have the phone somewhere else. All right, so I tracked it down. We had it in a different spot. Glad we didn't miss this. I'm gonna open this one up first before we get to the accessories. Make your moment. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this camera lens, you guys.
Whoa.
Oh, this feels solid.
That is a pretty phone.
It is hefty.
Is that leather in the back?
Or pleather, but it's definitely meant to feel like leather. Okay, so this is a very, very nice looking phone. I can't even believe the camera. While this is powering on, I'm gonna start unboxing the other stuff. What is this case? Oppo is trying to create a legit smartphone like DSLR system or something. This case connects to the phone and it even has like a shutter button. And I think this is for zooming in and out.
Oh, wow.
You can also press it. This has a button too. Oh, this must be to lock in the extra lens. So this would go in here like this. Those are a bunch of different adapters over there. An additional lens that looks like this. Are you kidding me?
Oscar is salivating right now, just so you know.
All right, so the camera, this is my first time opening the app, the camera app, and it has like an opening screen. Since when do cameras have an opening screen? That's how serious they're taking this. Right? Some good dynamic range right there, to be honest. Look how clean these shots are. Let me see if I can pair the case to it. Oh, wow, autofocus lock too. We gotta see how we can add this onto it. So I'm guessing I'm gonna need this. It even has the marking to let you know where to add it and line it up. Then you just have to turn. Now we can take our lens, a Lumo 300. This is wild. All right, so this is a normal shot. 30. 60. Jeez, and look how it cleaned that up. Are you serious? Okay, let's do the plant up there. Look at the, what? The level of detail from this far. This is gonna be fun to test. I wonder if there are other options out there, like other lenses, because this, if they're creating like an entire system of lenses and for this camera system, like I'm interested. So typically for a telephoto lens like this, you would have an adapter like this that helps to hold it in place. And then this will be on like a tripod. That way it's stable and you're not moving around as crazy as I was just now, but it comes with everything. This is so cool. So check this out, guys. This is the SmallRig S70 C2 wireless microphone. SmallRig used to just be about little camera accessories, but now they're getting into like electronics, all kinds of stuff.
So does it go into the smartphone?
Yeah, this is made for smartphones. So you would go and clip this on to like right here, and then you would just have it as your mic.
Wow.
So we gotta test it out and see how it sounds, but I don't think they were expensive. Let's see. So the $90 one has the piece so that you can connect it to your camera. This is just the smartphone one, and this is 70. Okay guys, so this right here is the Pavlok. What this wearable does is it'll shock you to help you break bad habits or to help you wake up in the morning. So for those people who are doom scrolling or stuck on social media, can we just
I wonder.
do that? You have to download the app. I'm curious what the parameters would be for setting this up. This is interesting. Maybe we do a follow-up on this one for sure, because we'd have to like set it up and figure out how to fine tune it for our certain habits.
I would love for you to try this out, especially for waking up earlier.
You just want me to get shocked in the morning? So this is cool. We'll have to set that up and figure out how it works. So this is from a company called FlyDigi. They have a wired Xbox controller, and actually it looks really clean. And it comes with a month of Game Pass. All right, so we got a booklet, USB-C to A cable over here, our Game Pass Ultimate code. For that last section, it's either a Y or an X. Enjoy. It's a clean looking controller. Oh, I love the way the buttons feel.
Let me see.
Yeah.
I love that D-pad.
Feel this over here too, like that, the face buttons.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that feels amazing.
Yeah, these
It
are,
has a little bounce to it too.
and you've got your extra buttons in the back, and you get an extra 2 up top as well. Usually you have like your 4 back paddles or whatever. It looks like they've put those at the top, so you have 3 over here. Oh man, yeah, the D-pad does feel great. So the thing is, this is a wired controller, not wireless, but it does have some special features. So there's precise tension adjustment right over here. So you can adjust the tension on your joystick, which is not something I've never seen that before. This is 6 remappable extra buttons, because under the face buttons over here, you've got these 2. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I can imagine somebody treating this like an arcade stick. It looks like it has RGB at the bottom too. Oh, so you get multiple colors. I like that default one though. It was like a nice beige. It matched the colors here. But yeah, this looks good, and it has some really unique features that I haven't seen on any other controller before. So this is actually really dope. All right, so this right here is from a company called Gold. I bought this on Amazon. It's a wireless transmitter and receiver. So you can mirror your screen onto like another TV or a monitor wirelessly. So let's open this up. So these are the devices right here. And you can take this part, plug this part into your TV or your monitor, and this gets plugged into either your phone, maybe your laptop, your MacBook, whatever it may be, you can wirelessly transmit it. That's pretty cool. This is compatible with all devices with USB-C DisplayPort alt mode. So basically, if your device supports connecting a monitor to the USB-C port, it will work here. And this is from Extreme Rate. So in the last few Massive Tech unboxings, this company has sent over like some really cool customizable pieces for the PS5, the Switch. I went and got some plates for my Switch so I can switch out the Joy-Cons and have them look like this. Now, I've never done anything like this before, where I take a Joy-Con apart and change the plate, but I've owned some that were already done. This time I'm gonna do it myself. I'm gonna show you guys the results. If future Judd comes back in here and like, yo, I destroyed my Joy-Cons, put a L in the chat for me. But it comes with the case coverings as well as these colored buttons, which should be fun, and a bunch of screws. Oh, this is like it's gonna be complicated. There's an installation guide, listen, I can do this. It's from the PO box. Oh, charge, another portable charger. Like, I love me some portable chargers, but dang. 25,000 milliamp hours, which is always good, but 170 watts. That's a lot of juice. So this is definitely in response to what Anker already has out there. I will say, yeah, this is exactly like the Anker one. You got your handle and you've got your built-in cable over here, and then your screen, but you can see your percentage right here. You can see the info about the different outputs from the cables and the USB ports. So we got a USB-C and A up top. So all of the nerdy stats you would want right here. This is definitely in response to Anker. That's actually kind of funny. A digital microscope.
Awesome, we love that.
That's, yeah, for sure. So the company is Eleclive. Oh, it lights up. Check this out, y'all. We got our little microscope over here. Dang, this is actually kind of nice. Your George Washington has got the pox, bro. I think the boys would love this.
We put something else?
Yeah.
So it's not just for coins. It can look at a variety of textures.
Oh yeah, anything. All right, so my watch. Oh man, that is nice. And you see this, look, let me teach you guys something. This movement is called a spring drive, and it is just the smoothest you'll ever see on a watch.
All right, kids, let's get back to this unboxing.
So beautiful.
All right.
It's beautiful. I want the boys to play with this. Not only can it do that, but it has a micro SD card slot. So if you wanted to record what you were looking at, you can record the whole thing. Oh, and you can change the intensity of the light. Yeah, this is, I like this. So this is a production light. Interesting, this is huge. So this is a light that you would use like on a video set, and this should give you like an interesting silhouette in the background. You get multiple filters over here. This is probably gonna be a good one to use, or that. And let's see if we can turn this thing on. You can have it look like a window in the background. This is a legit too.
Right? We can have it right there.
That natural lighting look.
Yeah, you can change the temperature, I'm pretty sure.
Oh man, evening?
That's amazing.
This is really good if you don't have actual natural light. You can just fake it.
On top.
Oh man, we know what this is.
What is it?
It's a backpack.
It's
Oh gosh, a backpack.
It's definitely a backpack. Tom talks like, yo, he really likes these backpacks. Is this the same backpack they sent last time?
You don't need another backpack.
But yeah, this is the one we did in the last Massive Tech. They sent another one. But shout out to Tom Talk. I don't care what anyone says. Keep them coming. So this is also from Charge, but this is a 2 terabyte portable SSD with hub. That sounds great. And it looks
it's
crazy.
pretty.
Look at this. So you can unplug the USB-C port to plug it into your computer. You also have a USB-A 2.0, USB-A 3.0, an HDMI port, and you get a USB-C port over there. Has a built-in fan. I am definitely putting this in my backpack. There's just no way. This is amazing. And it's 2 terabytes. That is a win. Charge, good job. And inside the box, you also get a carrying case. Yeah, there we go. I like this a lot. All right, guys, that about wraps it up. Favorites, go.
Everything that was sent to me for Mother's Day. Thank you to all the companies.
So you lucked out. Gene.
No. Controller. Okay.
Controller? Okay, that's a surprise pick. Oscar?
Hasselblad.
Oh, that was a good one.
Yeah, that's a really good one. I think for me, the one I'm the most excited for is definitely the Hasselblad. That thing is crazy. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.